Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use onepage.io step by step in order to build professional AI generated websites without coding. We are going to be covering how you can create a professional project, how you can generate the website using AI prompts, how you can customize the sections, add the forms and pages, etc. So the best part is that you can create all of these things in just a few minutes using simple text instructions. So if you are an absolute beginner and you want an easier way to build the websites without learning web development, then this tutorial is going to help you a lot. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try onepage.io for yourself, you will find its affiliate link in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses and rewards depending upon the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, you can open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you can just simply search for onepage.io. You can also use the link that is given in the description, and you will be landed here on the official homepage of OnePage. Now, on the home page, you will see this prompt that says the website building tool you will enjoy using. So before hopping on how you can create your page, extend, enhance, and get the results, let's just briefly understand what it actually is. So as the prompt suggests over here on the home page of the website, onepage.io is an AI powered website builder that is going to help you create websites using the prompts instead of coding. So instead of manually designing every section yourself, you simply need to describe the website that you want, and the AI is going to generate the layout, the text, the sections, the forms, and even styling automatically. So over here, account creation process is very simple and straightforward. When you just scroll down a bit here on this particular page, you will see the option of create your free account. You will also see the sign up option on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you can choose whichever method you like, and you can basically sign up here in order to get access to your dashboard. Now, when you are inside your dashboard for the very first time, you are going to see this type of section in front of you. So by default, you will be on the project page. So here, this is the section where you will see all of your active projects as well as your archived projects. So here you can start by creating your first project. So click on the option of create project button on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you will be landed here on this particular page where you can either create a website using AI, you can start from the scratch, and you can also take a look at some of the templates that you can select, and then you can start customizing them right away. So over here, you just have to scroll down a bit and you can choose whichever website template you are interested in. For example, let's say I liked this one, so I'm just going to click on it. Now, when you click on the template that is given over here, you will be shown its preview. And as you can see, the preview is looking good to me. So I'm going to basically start from the this particular template, or if you want to remix it with AI, you can also select the second option. Now, for the sake of this video, let's say I want to start from the template. Now, you need to give your project a name. Afterwards, simply click on the option of create project. Now you just have to wait for some time until it redirects you on the template editing page. So you just have to wait for some time until this type of page is opened in front of you. Now, as you can see, this is the preview of the website that we chose previously. And now you are in the editor section, meaning that you can now edit each and every element that is available over here on this particular template. So in the left hand section, you will see a bunch of different options as well. Like you can add the structures, then you can add different types of pages over here. Afterwards, we have the versions available. So this is the current versions, but you will also see the previous versions available. So first, let's just go to the structure. So this is going to be the structure of the template that you are currently using. Like this is the top bar, then we have header, then we have cover. So let's say you want to edit something on the cover. So you need to simply select the cover option and you will be automatically redirected on the cover section. Now over here, if you want to make changes into the text, for example, you can select the text and afterwards you can just simply start typing your text. If you want to use the AI writer, it will be very much easy for you to do that. So when you select the option of AI writer, it is going to show you that you are currently on the free plan, and in order to basically use this feature, you need to upgrade to the plan. So when we are talking about upgrading to the plan, let's just understand their payment structure. So over here, their main license is free, and afterwards, in order to upgrade, their essential plan is going to cost you around $20 per month. They have their standard plan, which is going to cost you $40 per month. The advanced plan is going to cost you $70 per month, and the expert plan is going to cost you $180 per month. So all the benefits that you are going to get with each and every plans are mentioned over here in the bottom. So if you are interested, you can definitely go ahead and subscribe for the paid plan. So now when you come back here on this particular page, let's say you want to make changes into something relating to the about section. So when you select the option of about section, you are going to see all of the text, the link, and the buttons that are available in the about section. So over here, let's say you want to change the button, so you just have to double click on the button, and afterwards you can change the title on the button, and you can also add the subtitle. Then you can also change the icon over here by selecting this plus icon, and you can also add any of these icons available. Then you can scroll down a bit and you can add any of the links, so that when someone clicks on this particular button, they could redirect on the next page. So that's how you can basically make changes into the layout, and you can edit the template as per your own creation, as per your own design. So if you want to change the image, let's say, you just have to select the image that you want to change, and its editing options will be opened in front of you just like so. So you can upload any of the images from your PC or laptop. You can also adjust the image size over here by using these options available. So here, when you are done with your template addition, you just have to simply select the option of export. So when you select the option of export, your website will be ready and it will be shown on the home page. So let's say we just come back and click on the option of proceed to builder. Now if we just go to the project section, you will see this is the website that I have created, and now I can just select it and I can now edit it right away. Afterwards, we have the recent options. So in the recent, you are going to see all of the projects you are working on recently. Then we have shared with me. So if someone has shared any of the projects with you, it will be shown over here in the shared with me section. Afterwards, in the template section, you are going to see all of the templates that you have used, whether you have used on the platform or whether you have created. So these are going to be appeared over here. Then we have the domains section. So if you want to connect your own domain with it, you can definitely go ahead and do so. For that, you need to click on the option of connect and upgrade to their premium plan. And afterwards, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to connect your own domain. If you would like to invite any of the team members of yours into your project, you can also do that by selecting this invite a person option on the top right hand corner. Then you need to provide their name and the email address, and you need to send them the request. So that's how basically you can use onepage.io step by step as an absolute beginner. You can generate complete website, you can customize the layout, you can add the pages, the texts, the images. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.